Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to turn on your desktop autoresponder or Gmail how to turn on your notifications on Gmail. In case somebody send you an email, so you need to get notifications on your Gmail. So that's the thing which gonna be, it's like a reminder or something which tells you that, okay, hi guy, you got your email in, or somebody sent you an email, instead of you to have to remind yourself all the time to check your emails. You can make it to be automatic so that it reminds you. If you don't see any notification, just know I don't have any email. But then it's a cool feature for me to see that you can create that so that you don't have to check emails. So whenever you want to know what's going on, you don't have to stress yourself. But if you don't put them, it simply means you have to remind yourself each and every day to go to your email. So those features are always cool, because sometimes you might be busy the whole day, but then if that notification come in, then you know that, oh, let me check my email. So it's gonna help you to not forget to check your emails. Emails are very important. Sometimes you can lose a job or a tender or a contract because of not checking the emails. That's why Gmail, they are trying their best to make the program so useful to you and help you each and every day to make your life a little bit easier, and you don't stress a lot. So the program is made to do almost everything for you. So that's why I encourage people to use Gmail more than each and every email what providers. So I use Gmail and I'm happy with that. So now let's go to that. Still, we got a problem here. The connection has gone out, but I'm gonna connect again, then we see how we're gonna do that. I'm switching on my modem again. It loses and comes on and off. I wonder why. So let's wait, it's gonna be fine soon. Yeah, let's see, it's gonna be fine. Okay, yes, it's fine now. So let's try to connect back. It's gonna connect. Please be patient. Yeah, it's the computer is syncing now. Trying to reconnect. Yes, it's connected again. So you can see also Gmail is gonna stop that. I'm gonna say try now. You're gonna see if I try now, that message doesn't show up again. So let's go back to our topic, whereby we're going to show you how to do what, how to switch on notifications. But if you did switch them off without also knowing, we're gonna show you how to do. If you did switch them on without knowing, also we're gonna show you how to do that. Okay, what you're gonna do, click on settings. I wonder why it doesn't do anything. Let's wait, maybe the internet's just a little bit slow. Click on settings, yes, then all settings, then you scroll down, when you scroll down, yeah, here, then you say, it says click here to enable desktop notification for Gmail. When you click allow notifications, okay, then you say new email or important email. We can say new email. Then after that, before you say it says new email notification on. Okay, that means it's on. notify me when any new email arrives in my inbox or primary tab. So the second one says important mail notification on, notify me only when an important message arrives in my inbox. So you can see these are different things. So but I've enabled only one. So new email, any new email, it's important or it's not important, it's gonna notify me. So what you also do here, you got to, oh I forgot, so you got to go down after enabling that. You have to go down and click save changes. So after saving that, then you're gonna see that. So for instance, if somebody send you an email, so you're gonna see a notification. Let me see something, if we can try something for you guys to see practical example. Okay. I'm trying to see if we can find okay. Okay. I did send in an email. You see the email came, but if you were using, I believe, a phone or something like that, you would have got your notification. So now I'm already in, so it was supposed to send me something. So now that's the way you set them. It's gonna show you on your phone if you're using your phone, and also maybe if you closed your Gmail browser and stuff and you logged into Gmail as your account. Yeah, so that's the thing we try to see it's relevant. But anyway, if you want to switch them off, you can still double click there and scroll down. Oh, there's something we didn't show you anyway, something small here. You saw when we talked about, okay, let's open this. Okay, you saw when we talked about important emails. These are important emails. When you click here, you can see those important emails. You get me? So those important emails, when you set in that email, then it's gonna come. So if you didn't set into important emails, so it's gonna come to each and every new email which comes in, then you're gonna get that notification. So let me see. Okay, you go down here, down, then you keep on. So these notifications should come on desktop. So I'm using a different browser and I was open into Gmail whatever. So but if you want to set them, you can set them this way. So I want to switch them off because I don't want them. Then I click down here. I did this because of the tutorial. Then I go here, back here, and I make save. Okay, once you save, it's gonna take you back to your home screen. So if you don't save, then simply means you're not going to do what? You're not going to, they will never work. So you must save. Okay, we're done with that, guys. We really thank you for your support and being with us today. So if you have any thing you didn't understand, you can comment in the comment box below, or if you want any tutorial you want us to do for you, you can also comment. We'll do that tutorial as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.